Good morning, my dear friends. Myself, Atiya Badbade, studying from SDM College of Engineering and Technology, Dharwad. I am from Department Electronics and Communication Department from 6th Sem A Division, and my USN is 2SD20EC 020. So, our aim of the project is to update LDR and DHT on ThinkSpeak Cloud. Firstly, we'll just get to know about the LDR. What do you mean by LDR? LDR, it is nothing but a photoresistor, photocell, and many more things. So LDR is also known as electrical component that responds to light. LDR is also a kind of resistor. Amount of light that strikes its surface affects how much resistance it exhibits. A light dependent resistor or LDR is an example of electrical component. The light beam strikes, the resistance changes right away, and LDR resistance level can vary by several orders of magnitude. The light level rises and the resistor value decreases. LDR resistance values range from many mega ohms in complete darkness to only few hundred ohms in strong light. The resistors are widely used in a variety of applications. Due to these variations in resistance, the wavelength of incident light affects LDR sensitivity as well. We even have the advantages of LDR. So the advantages is sensitivity can be high, it will be a simple and small devices, it can be easily used, not more expensive, no union potential, the light dark resistance ratio is high, and the connection is simple. Now moving ahead with the DHT. DHT is nothing but it is a low cost digital sensor for sensing temperature and humidity. This sensor can be easily interfaced with any microcontroller such as Arduino, Raspberry Pi, etc. The DHT can be had two types, DHT11 and DHT22. The DHT11 humidity and temperature sensor is available for the module, and the difference between the sensor and module is to pull up the resistor and power on the LED. Here DHT11 and DHT22 can be had different operating voltages, for example 3 to 5 volt for the DHT11 and DHT22 will be 3 to 5 volt. So here as I've shown, this is a Raspberry Pi kit connected to the CPU, and this is the code for LDR and DHT. The connections will be shown further. This is the code. Presently we just need to replace the API key. Here ThinkSpeak Cloud, we need to just create a channel. When we create a channel, there will be a my channel. In my channel there will be following options. Here the name we need to give our aim, that is DHT and LDR. Description no needed. The fields we need to name as we need to select for the field 1, and we need to give field 1 name as temperature. Then we need to select for the field 2 and we need to give the name humidity. Here we need to select for the field 3 and we need to opt for the light, as we have both DHT and LDR. So after that we just need to save the channel, and here the API key appears. We need to select on the API key. So the API key is just appeared as shown. We just need to copy it and we just need to place on the code where we have just marked with a dark color, and we just need to replace it. After replacing API keys on both the sides, we just need to run the code. Here, once the output appears, we need to select Raspberry Pi for the tested programs. Once we select for the tested programs, the several IoT development kit just give the following outputs. It will scan the data and also it will scan the sensors, because we have both LDR and DHT. So for LDR we just need to know light, whether it will be detected or not, and for the DHT we just need to know the temperature and humidity. So for this temperature and humidity we need to know for the DHT, and for the lights we just need to opt for it, and just we need to run the code. So here are the outputs. So temperature currently we have 29 degrees Celsius and humidity we have 49%, and here as of now the light is being detected. If the light is not there, so it will show light will be not detected. So these are the options. So for the following code, so this is the code. For that we need to just connect the GPIO pins in, out, in. The GPIO pins are 13, 19 and 26. We just need to mention the DHT pin 4, and for the light sensor pin 13, the trigger pin 19 and the echo pin should be 26. So after the connections we just need to dump the code and we just need to save it. We just need to take the API keys from ThingSpeak Cloud. We just need to copy it and we just need to paste on the code, and then we just need to run the code. The following details will be as shown. So here once the code is run, the following output will be shown. Here we can see temperature, humidity, light detected. As of now our aim is just only to update the LDR and DHT on ThingSpeak Cloud. So we just have taken temperature, humidity as DHT. This is the part of DHT, and light is the part of LDR. So these are the two things which we work on it on the ThingSpeak Cloud, and we just dump on the Raspberry Pi kit. So yes, this is all about LDR and DHT. I just want to give a quick recap of LDR. It is a light resistance, and DHT is all about temperature and humidity. So we just need to go on the ThingSpeak Cloud. We just need to create a channel, and from channel there will be my channel. We just need to give the name of our experiment. Then we just need to give the fields and save the channel. The API key will be followed, that we need to just copy down, and we just need to replace in the code where it will be mentioned as my API key. Then we just need to save it, and the following output will be appeared as Raspberry Pi kit. From there we just need to give a tested programs, and then raspberry pi.py, where the following output appears as temperature, humidity, light detected as on screen. So temperature will be followed at the present temperature, and humidity as well as light, whether it is detected or not detected. I just want to conclude by saying LDR and DHT, and also thanks Sunil sir for giving this opportunity just to give a knowledge brief about this, so that it will be help for the many people or students as of our juniors as well. So I just want to thank Sunil sir and my friends. Thank you.